Automakers in China pledge to restore stability after Tesla's price war. The ongoing price war in the Chinese auto industry might cool down after 16 automakers and the China Association of Automobile Manufacturers, CAAM, signed a pledge today to maintain a fair market structure at the 2023 China Auto Forum in Jiandang, Shanghai. Tesla triggered an EV price war globally after slashing prices of its models on multiple occasions this year. The move caused turmoil in the Chinese automotive market on many fronts. Customers who bought Teslas just before the price cuts were furious, while some 30 carmakers were compelled to reduce prices to maintain competitiveness. There were fears that smaller players who cannot sustain price cuts might be forced to shut shop, partner up, or consolidate. To ease the tensions caused by the price war, all major automakers in China have signed a commitment to safeguard the market framework. The list includes Dongfeng Motor, China FAO, SAIC, BAIC, Changan Automobile, GAC, Chery, JAC, Geely, China National Heavy Duty Truck, Great Wall Motor, BYD, NIO, Li Auto, XPeng, and Tesla, according to CNET Post. Although, note that the letter signed by executives of the aforementioned brands is not legally binding and is self-regulatory. Source: reposted and summarized from Suvrat Kothari at Inside EVS.